it with qualitative. It's not working. If you want to do real tests with real test cases with a lot of data, you need to have quantitative. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, that's rather common actually. Anyway, so let us go further. So now we say that we have a problem's question or statement, and then we need to talk about the purpose. And here I see very, very, very many that is doing the wrong thing. Often I've seen that they write the purpose of the work. That's not what the purpose is for. The purpose is why you write the thesis in the first place and what it is about. So the purpose in the introduction is only for the thesis. And I usually say, to get it right, think about what does the thesis present? What are you presenting in your whole thesis? It's not only the work. You present the whole development of a prototype, for instance. You also discuss maybe something or explain, but you absolutely do the whole thing. Then the purpose with the work may be a part of the purpose. But you don't have to. And if you want to have both, always start with the purpose of the thesis first. And then you might say, well, in my case, the purpose is the same. Well, actually, is it really? Since the purpose with the thesis is to present the whole development and also the result, what is the purpose of the work? What is the purpose of your project? Probably, I would say, that the company has given you a purpose already. They say they want a prototype that can do X or Y. So they have given you the purpose of the work already. That you can write there if you like, but be aware that it should be about the thesis. And I've given you some different way of starting the thesis. I don't say that you should copy them, but look at them when you write your own purpose so you get the wording right. Because if you just get the starting right, it usually is right. And this is what I mean with it should not be the work is to design a prototype. And this is what I see very often. And it shouldn't be, because that is the work. And I gave you two examples here. The purpose with the thesis is to describe the formation of a balanced scorecard, and the purpose with the work. The purpose of designing a balanced scorecard is to support increased control over the company's performances. Not sorry, I will change that. So that's the difference between them. This is what I see very often. In your case, it would be a bachelor thesis, but it's absolutely not.
Has someone actually written that?
Oh yeah, many times, many times. You can't believe it how often I see this. Yeah. So yeah, absolutely. And also seen it on bachelor level. So yeah, on both levels. So, but it's not.
Do you think they're serious?
Oh yeah, absolutely. They are deadly serious about this. Oh, absolutely. They say that this is why you do it. Yeah. But in many cases, rather often people aren't really used to write a lot, and they are not used to write thesis, and that's why they think why you do this in the first place. Okay, it's only 2 minutes to, so maybe we should take a break, and then we go into goals, which follow from the purpose, and also where you can put the purpose of the work, because you can put it as a goal instead. So we can stop there. Okay? And I will stop the camera as well.